We've all experienced it. Dropping $189 on a deluxe cat bed, only for your furry friend to claim the shipping box instead. Cats couldn't care less about fancy labels. They thrive on fun and stimulation. In this video, we're revealing 10 vet-recommended DIY tricks using household scraps that cost next to nothing. Kicking off with stuff you'd normally toss. Number 1, towel foraging mat. Those pricey Snuffle mats you see advertised? Skip the cost. Grab a worn-out towel, scatter kibble across it, then scrunch and roll sections to tuck the food away. Your cat paws and sniffs to uncover each bite, curbing fast eaters and tiring their brain more than a half-hour stroll. Number 2, t-shirt hideout. Cats crave cozy nooks for security. Ditch the $50 tunnels, reshape 2 wire hangers into an arch over cardboard, then drape an old tee over it. The neck opening serves as entry, and your scent adds that comforting, trust-building touch. Number 3, sock wrestling toy. Love those bunny kicking sessions? No need for store-bought kickers. Fill a spare clean sock with crinkly paper or catnip flakes. Knot it shut. It's tough, easy to launder, and free of risky bits like plastic bits or loose feathers. Number 4, tuna ice treats. Dehydration plagues lots of cats. When draining tuna water next time, blend it with a splash of water and freeze into cubes. These refreshing snacks hydrate and chill on warm days for absolute zero extra spend. Number 5, box ambush game. Mimic underground prey hunts with an old shoebox. Slice varied holes in the top. Tease a wand toy through from below as your cat swats to nab it. Pure predatory thrill. Number 6, homemade cardboard scratcher. Replacing pricey pads gets old fast. Slice up spare boxes into long strips. Coil them tight into a circle or log. It delivers the same satisfying shred. Number 7, sneaky towel drag. Laser dots tease without payoff. Better, tuck a toy under a towel and pull it along the floor. The shifting bulge sparks instant chase mode. Number 8, face rub station. Cats mark spots by cheek rubbing. Skip fancy groomers. Secure a firm bristle brush to a table leg at face level with zip ties. Instant stress-busting self-pampering spot, cheaper than takeout. Number 9, scavenger meal hunt. Ditch the food bowl, stash tiny kibble heaps in safe spots around home. It turns feeding into territory patrols, slashing boredom and nerves. Number 10, window wildlife show. Nothing beats real action for cats. Hang a budget bird feeder outside a pane. Endless bird watching beats any screen flick. Great cat parenting isn't about cash, it's clever hacks. Which trick will you test first? Drop it in the comments, hit subscribe, and grab more low-cost ideas.